Bitcoin is moonshotting. Hey guys, what's going on? Jeb here. And in today's video, the Bitcoin market has rallied to over $4,000 in the last 72 hours. All the while, Binance has broken through its previous all-time high at $671, setting a new all-time high at $714. At the same time, the United States stock market is pushing towards a new all-time high, which will likely send Bitcoin into a new all-time high. Today, we're going to be talking about why a major uptrend is coming to Bitcoin and why I believe that the all-time high of $73,000 will be broken at some point within just the next 2 weeks. If you want to see why Bitcoin's about to break out and where we'll go next, then you found the right video. So without much further ado, let's go ahead and dive right on into it. Different, seemingly random cryptocurrencies have been popping off by over 10% over the last week. Notcoin is still up 130%, Jasmy Coin's up 56%, Dog Runes is up 54%, Caspa's up 33%, Binance is up 17%. Again, seemingly random cryptocurrency projects are going through major rallies right now. It's almost like when you put a bag of popcorn in the microwave and the microwaves cause the water in the popcorn to heat up and expand, turn into steam, and then cause the popcorn to pop. You're seeing a bunch of different seemingly random cryptocurrencies going off at the same time, indicating that the heat is being turned up, and some of them are popping off, and eventually that heat is going to lead to the whole bag being popped, and that will be Bitcoin moving above all-time high. Binance is one of the latest cryptocurrencies to do just that. Rallying over 17% in the last 7 days, it is now the third of the major cryptocurrencies in the top 10 to break its previous bull market all-time high, and it looks like that uptrend may continue. Breaking through $700 is just the next stop on the journey to the coveted $1,000, which, as we can see on this chart, would be the price target for the massive bull flag that Binance is currently breaking out of. Almost exactly $1,000 represents our price target. Of course, $1,000 also represents a major psychological level that will likely draw Binance in towards like a gravitational pull. In recent days, Binance has broken out of its symmetrical triangle pattern, being one of the first major cryptocurrencies to break out of its respective symmetrical triangle pattern. Bitcoin also finds itself in one, so too does Ethereum. Binance is the first cryptocurrency to break out of its, and again, its price target is $1,000. Following through on that breakout, Binance has also managed to rally into the take profit zone on the LUX Algo buy signal that was set here on the 21st of May, 2024. On top of that, you can see that the MACD has flipped extremely bullish, and the bulls have started to gain a huge amount of momentum right out the gate here on the Crypto Jeb Oscillator, indicating that a rally on Binance will likely be continuing. But Bitcoin's not the only cryptocurrency that has been rallying dramatically over the last week. Over the last 3 days, Bitcoin has put into motion what's called a 3 white soldiers candlestick formation. You see, back in the day, back before computers were invented, candlestick charts were actually printed out and put on the daily paper. In those daily papers, they were printed in black and white. The paper was white, the ink was black, and so you had white and black candlesticks. When you had 3 white candlesticks in a row, that was what was known as a 3 white soldiers formation. Nowadays, we use green and red, so we have 3 green candlesticks in a row here, indicating that there is a bullish event happening right now. And that's very significant because it also represents that Bitcoin could be on its way to breaking bullish out of its symmetrical triangle pattern that you can see right here. With Bitcoin breaking bullish out of this symmetrical triangle pattern, we should be looking for a major rally coming soon that could lead us all the way up to $83,000. On top of that, Bitcoin is also at the moment breaking bullish out of an inverse head and shoulders pattern, which can be seen right here. That inverse head and shoulders pattern gives us a price target all the way up at a whopping $78,000. That means that our current price target zone based on these 2 chart formations sits in between $78,000 and $83,000, indicating a major rally coming soon. Even the LUX Algo take profit here gives us a take profit that pushes all the way up to $76,000. On top of that, the Bitcoin MACD has crossed bullish in a way that is extremely significant. The last time that we saw Bitcoin cross bullish on the MACD above the 0 level of the histogram right here was back on this date, the 26th of February, 2024. We had originally seen a bullish MACD cross followed by a major rally, a small and short-lived bearish correction, then a bullish cross that followed. So we had a first phase and a second phase of the rally. The first phase of that rally led Bitcoin from approximately $38,500 all the way up to $53,500, about a $15,000 rally. After we had seen that second bullish MACD cross here on the 26th of February, 2024, Bitcoin would go on to rally another 44%, about $22,000. Well, very similarly, Bitcoin had a bullish MACD cross here, the bearish cross, and now a bullish cross once again. That is the phase 1 of the rally, and that rally, you guessed it, was $15,000 in height. If we see the exact same thing play out again, then we would be witnessing potentially up to a $22,000 rally on Bitcoin, which would push us up towards 90. So the question now becomes, with Bitcoin repeating history, are we about to see another $22,000 Bitcoin rally? I think probably. I think in the next couple of weeks, you'll see a major breakout above all all-time high on Bitcoin, and here's another reason why. The United States SPY recently broke above its all-time high resistance at 524 points. After that, we set a new all-time high a couple of weeks ago at 532. Well, at the time of recording this video, 1 p.m. on Wednesday, June the 5th, we are seeing the United States stock market rally up to that exact same level again. And we've also seen a new confirmed buy signal on the S&P 500. The last time that we saw a confirmed buy signal on the S&P 500 with LUX ALGO, we saw the S&P 500 rally 5%. The last time that we saw a confirmed buy signal before then was back here in November of 2023, and we would see a 25% rally in a year and a half. Massive return for a stock market like the US's. With the future looking bright for the United States S&P 500, paired with the fact that the United States stock market is normally the driver of the Bitcoin market when we're in a massive bull market in the S&P 500, we're in a bull market on Bitcoin and vice versa, an all-time high breakout and a subsequent buy signal from the United States S&P 500 indicates that a major rally could be coming to US equities that could also, and probably will also, lead to a major rally on Bitcoin, which will break Bitcoin through the all-time high, rallying us up to about $80,000. So, for my traders, get ready because a big breakout is probably coming soon. And for my investors, continue to dollar cost average on a weekly basis. Build your investments. Make sure you're out of debt. Make sure you have a budget. Make sure you have an investment plan, and ensure that you're always striving to reach towards what we call financial sovereignty. If you have enjoyed this video and learned something from it, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more content every single day, and also make sure to share this video with somebody that you think would find it useful. Don't forget to check out the sponsor of this video, which is NordVPN.com. You want to make absolutely sure that people don't steal your Bitcoin and your cryptocurrency, so make sure you go to NordVPN.com/Jeb, sign up for a 2-year plan, and protect yourself for the duration of the bull market. Before I go, I do just first want to thank each and every single last one of you for watching, as always, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. Oh, I got a real good feeling.